眼见你把手揣进了口袋，落日倾泻下来，或许我的不安在作怪，你的眼神释怀，微笑弧度像小猫可爱，蛋糕分我一半，晚风拨动你的衣摆，像时间停止下来，你的拥抱只有我知道，那有一股好闻的味道，爱的魔法将我们围绕，冒出来的
Just look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me go. I'm like my whole mind, baby, it's my kind of night. Flashing lights up on my body, feels like 90s paparazzi. I'm like my whole mind, baby, it's my kind of night. Strangers dancing all around me, it's like straight out of a movie. Flashing lights up on my body, feels like 90s paparazzi. On the table like it's Vegas, I'm like Charlie with these angels, taking pictures, feeling famous. I feel so Kim and Chloe, ain't no Photoshop Adobe, walking like a yummy, yummy, yummy. When I walk in, it's electric. Roll the car up before me one more time. Baby, it's my kind of night. Flashing lights up on my body, feels like 90s paparazzi. I'm like my whole mind, baby, it's my kind of night. Strangers dancing all around me, it's like straight out of a movie. Flashing lights up on my body, feels like 90s paparazzi. I don't wanna go, but baby, we both know this is not our time. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. 'Cause this is not the end. It will come a day when we will find our way. Violins playing and the angels crying. When the stars align, then I'll be there. No, I don't care about them all, cause all I want is to be loved, and all I care about is you. You're stuck on me like a tattoo. No, I don't care about the pain. I walk through fire and through rain, just to get closer to you. You're stuck on me like a tattoo. I'm letting my hair down, I'm taking it cool. You got my heart in your hand, don't lose it, my friend, it's all that I got. Violins playing and the angels crying. When the stars align, then I'll be there. No, I don't care about them all, cause all I want is to be loved, and all I care about is you. You're stuck on me like a tattoo. No, I don't care about the pain. I walk through fire and through rain, just to get closer to you. You're stuck on me like a tattoo. No, I don't care about them all, cause all I want is to be loved, and all I care about is you. You're stuck on me like a tattoo.